Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about one of the most important concepts in modern web development, responsive design. Responsive design means that a website adapts to different screen sizes and devices, whether someone views your site on a laptop, tablet or smartphone, etc. Everything should look good and be easy to use. In the early days of the web, sites were designed for desktop only, but now most users browse for their phones. That means you need to make sure your layout works on small screens too. Responsive design is based on fluid grids, flexible image, and media queries. We will cover all of this in the next few videos. All well-designed responsive sites improve user experience, keep visitors on your page longer, and even boost SEO. Understanding responsive design is essential for every web developer. Let's keep going and learn about units that help with flexible design.